Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create a Python script that accepts command line arguments. Command line arguments allow users to pass input to a script when executing it. This can be useful for making your scripts more flexible and versatile. In Python, the sys.argv list is used to access command line arguments. It is part of the sys module, so we need to import it first. The sys.argv list contains the script name as its first element, sys.argv0, followed by the arguments provided by the user. Here is a simple example to print the script name and the arguments. Save this code in a file, for example, script_with_arguments.py. To run the script, open a terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory containing your script, and execute the following command. Replace arg1, arg2, and arg3 with the actual arguments you want to pass. While the above example prints the arguments, often we want to perform specific actions based on the provided arguments. For this, we can use the argparse module, which provides a convenient way to parse command line arguments. Save this code in a file, for example, script_with_argparse.py. To run the improved script, execute the following command.